Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a primer video for you guys today. So I finally figured out a way to test primers and see if they actually help my makeup, change my makeup. So I'm going to be pairing this Wet n Wild, this is just a photo focus face primer, with my holy grail of foundations. And if my holy grail of foundations actually comes off my skin or I have any problems with it, I'm going to contribute that to the primer. So that's how I'm going to start testing primers for you guys. And if you want to know my holy grail of foundations, it is the Almay TLC. This is the 16-hour wear. It's the truly lasting color. This stuff never budges. But I was thinking about it. I always use the same primer. So I'm going to go ahead and start using different primers. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what this is like, the consistency. You guys can see right there. So yeah, it's actually kind of thick if it didn't budge like that. Let's go ahead and feel what it feels like. I think this primer is, so this just kind of feels like a lotion. This primer, I believe, is like $5, something like that, at your local drugstore. And I'm applying it on, and it actually just feels like a lotion. Wow, look how much red came out of my skin right there. Is it pore filling? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it says that it's pore filling. I don't see any pore filling going on here. Best pore filling primer is obviously the Professionals by Benefits and the Revlon Photo Ready. You guys see how much I use that. Now those I have actually put to the test and compared with other primers. Those are amazing. But this one, it just feels like I'm putting some lotion on my skin. Now let's see how it dries down. It doesn't feel like anything. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish up my makeup here, and I will check back in with you guys and let you guys know in a few hours whether my holy grail of foundation was still lasting. Did the primer make anything go wrong? I don't know. We're going to have to see. I will see you guys in a few seconds, which is actually a few hours for me, so just stay tuned. Oh, and before we get to those check-ins, if you could, please hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that little tiny bell next to the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Let's get to those check-ins. So something really interesting happened to my makeup. If you look right here, like it started these lines in my foundation, and it came off on my nose there. And then for some reason, I look so cakey. So I'm going to do I always get my Scott 1-ply toilet paper. And if you're going to press your powder back down, you do want to get a 1-ply toilet paper. And let's go ahead and press it down and see if it takes that cakiness away. So I have a little bit of makeup transfer there. Not much oil is coming up. I mean, there is some oil. See if I can adjust the lighting. I see there is some oil coming up. My makeup has never looked cakey with this foundation. This foundation's like that holy grail that never comes off my skin, that sets right back down. So let me go ahead and look in the mirror. So wow, guys, like I don't know if you can really tell. Like everything came off here on my corners, even under here. And mind you, like I can eat, drink everything with this foundation when I have my regular Professional primer underneath. That's the one that I typically use. I've never had problems with this foundation, like ever. And so because I am having problems with it, it is because I used a different primer. And obviously this primer is not working for my skin, and I would not recommend it. First off, it didn't fill in my pores like it said it was going to. And second of all, it's actually giving me problems with my foundation. So now I have to fix my makeup, but I'm gonna give this primer a total thumbs down. You guys tell me if you've had maybe a better experience, but no on this primer. I understand that it's really cheap. It might save you guys some money, but not if it's gonna screw up your makeup like this. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and tell me if you'd like to see more reviews on different primers. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.